When families walk into a doctor's office after a celiac disease diagnosis, they're not just handed a diet sheet, they're handed a lifelong chronic autoimmune disease. For decades, the gluten-free diet has been the only treatment, but thanks to federal investment from the National Institutes of Health and Department of Defense, that reality is beginning to change. Across the country, federal funding is helping scientists answer the most important questions about celiac disease, from how it begins to how we treat it, and ultimately, how we may one day prevent it. At Massachusetts General Hospital for Children, researchers are studying how celiac disease develops in early life. Through more than $5 million in NIH-supported research led by Dr. Alessio Fasano and Dr. Maureen Leonard, scientists are following infants at genetic risk to understand how the microbiome, environment, and immune system interact to trigger the disease. These studies are helping identify early biological signals that could allow doctors to predict and potentially prevent celiac disease before it even begins. At Colorado Children's Hospital, Dr. Edwin Liu is leading the Colorado Clinical Center of the TEDdy Study, a major NIH-supported international project following children at high genetic risk for autoimmune disease. With $486,000 in NIH support, the Colorado site has helped researchers better understand how celiac disease develops in childhood. Over more than 15 years, this research has produced dozens of publications, launched the careers of investigators across the field of autoimmunity, and helped establish Colorado as a global leader in early-stage disease research. At Children's National Hospital in Washington, D.C., NIH funding is improving daily life for patients already living with the disease. A $793,000 NIH Career Development Award supported Dr. Shana Coburn's work to develop the GROW program, the first behavioral telehealth intervention designed to help teens with celiac disease strengthen self-management skills and improve quality of life. Meanwhile, at the Celiac Disease Center at Columbia University, NIH funding is powering the first large-scale randomized clinical trial evaluating gluten detection technology in adults newly diagnosed with celiac disease. The GluTech trial, funded by the NIH with nearly $7 million in federal support, is led by Dr. Benjamin Lebwohl and Randy Wolf and brings together 4 leading U.S. centers: Columbia University, the University of Chicago, Vanderbilt University Medical Center, and Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center. Studies of this scale simply would not happen without federal investment. Federal funding builds labs, it launches careers, it connects institutions, and most importantly, it improves lives. Together, we're helping ensure these federal research dollars continue to support the scientists advancing celiac disease research, because when patient voices and scientific discovery come together, real change becomes possible.